There we go, live and live in color. Mic check, mic check. Y'all come on in. I want to tell everybody happy Friday, happy Friday. It's about 9:22. What I wanted to talk to simply today is worrying and how it doesn't benefit you. You know, there are so many people going around worried about what if this happens or what if that happens. But about 99% of the stuff that you worry about don't even happen. You know, I'll give you a prime example. I was doing a couple things, and I remember when I first started doing these lives, I didn't even know how really to do a live. And I went to a friend of mine in Dallas, and he showed me how to, I had a different phone, how to turn around and videotape the phone. Videotape my videos. And it was so funny because I didn't know, but I just said, you know what? I'm going to learn it and I'm going to do it. And another thing, I want to encourage people to, whenever you're doing lives, don't just think about it. Just do it, because a lot of people can relate to your story. And believe me, everybody has a story. And people want to hear your story. They want to see you being genuine. And they don't really like perfection because they can't relate to that. Now, even today, y'all don't even notice it. I just made a mistake. But the key is you got to keep going through the mistakes, because somebody wants to hear your story. I remember one time it was a guy, he gave me a little bit of, it was feedback, and I took it for what it's worth. But you know, you always got to, hey, what's going on, Jennifer? Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. You got to think about the person that's criticizing you. What have they done? And is it really constructive criticism, or is it just somebody trying to tear you down? Because you have a lot of things, a lot of people out here like that, including friends, family members, associates. A lot of people, they don't mind if you do good, but when you start doing better than them, therein lies the problem. And you will get that. And it kind of, sorry about that, I'm outside at my favorite spot. But it kind of tripped me out. I'm like, I thought you'll be happy for me. But I'm going to tell you, a lot of people not happy for you. I'm pausing on purpose. A lot of people will kind of sabotage you. And you be like, okay, these are people that I've done stuff for, that I've really been down no matter what. But they'll do it. And sometimes they do it on the slide and you hear about it. But I'm going to tell you, always be the bigger person, because people see your heart and they will follow you no matter what. So don't play into that negativity. You know, people talk and they always say, you know, you ain't going to make it, this and that. But I always challenge people. If you say, I'm not going to make it, remember this face. You're going to eat those words. Because I'm betting on Booker Williams. And this is a sure bet. You can take this to the bank. So with that being said, it's about 9:25. I guess a lot of people going into work, going into the office. I'm going to tell y'all, have a good time at your office today. I know a lot of people already thinking about when they getting off. Y'all going to go and turn up. I already know the deal. You know, I know what's happening. But do your job with integrity. And when you get off, if you do have a business, work your business as if they fired you. That's going to be the key to your success. You got to have a burning desire no matter what, because people going to doubt you. You know, if you ain't got no haters, that means you ain't doing nothing. Sometimes you have to defriend them from Facebook. So if you found yourself talking about, he's not my friend no more, you'll know why. Hey, with that being said, I'm about to go and finish this coffee. I got to go up to the Apple store today and, you know, just enhance people's lives. And I'm going to tell you, what's going on, Donald? What's going on, Matt? Hey, I'm going to end this because I don't want my lives to be too long. I just want to give y'all some value. And if you tuning in live, give me a thumbs up. And if you got the replay, put hashtag replay. And let me know where y'all calling in from. You know, because this is Booker Williams. I'm going to encourage you and motivate you. But guess what? You got to do your part. Nothing happens just because. Believe me, there's a reason why people are doing what they're doing and getting the results. Instead of hating on that person, just ask them what they're doing. That's what I do. Just ask them. 9 times out of 10, they'll tell you. All right, that's my alarm. Hey, 5 minutes. I'm out. Hopefully it's got y'all some value. Please like, share, and comment. This is Booker Williams. Out.